Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you YouTube channel customization in YT Studio step by step. For YouTube channel customization in YT Studio, open Chrome and type here YT Studio and search. Here tap on first link. And here, if you have YouTube Studio app installed in your mobile, then it will open. So we don't have to open it. So uninstall YouTube Studio app first. Then it will come here like this. As written below, continue to Studio. So here tap on Continue to Studio. Then here tap on Customization. Here first, Upload banner image. So tap on Upload in front of the banner image. And here tap on Allow. Then tap here on Browse. So I have already edited the banner image, profile picture, and watermark. So I select the banner image from here. And here tap on Done. And now tap on Upload in front of the picture. Then tap here on Browse. And select channel logo or profile picture from here. Then tap here on Done. Here tap inside the description box. And write description about your channel. Now scroll down. And then tap on Email. Enter here email address. And now tap on Upload in front of the watermark. Then tap here on Browse. And select watermark from here. Then tap here on Done. And select here Display time of the watermark. So select entire video in front of the watermark. And now tap on Publish in the top corner. So, the channel customization in YT Studio has been completed. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share with friends and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.